Hey guys, welcome back to AB Creators. Today we are going to show you one of the simplest games in Python, which is a coin simulator. So toss a coin. We often toss a coin when we have to decide between an interesting thing or a boring thing. So let's see how we can make a coin simulator by ourselves on our own computers or desktops. So first we are going to have this statement import random. This will help it select the choice, have a choice from the given list. Then we'll have import time. This is completely optional, but I like to have it and it makes the game a bit more interesting. So first let's have a beginning statement which welcomes the people to our game. So welcome to, this will basically print it on the screen when the program is run, whatever is in the double quotes. You can write welcome or you can write anything you want. I am writing welcome to the coin simulator. Now let's get going with the list. So what are the only two outcomes when we toss a coin? Heads and tails. So that's what is going to be included in our list. For the list, you have to enclose them in square brackets and each of the options have to be enclosed in quotes. Heads, and you have to separate them with a comma. Heads and tails. Close the square bracket. Now here comes this choosing part, and if this statement goes wrong, nothing is going to work. So you have to either keep the name selected or you can keep it outcome as well. Random dot choice, this selects it, and you have to enclose the name of the list in brackets. So we have kept the name list in case you want to. If you don't import random, this won't work, and if you want to keep any other name for the list, it's completely your choice. And now let's print it, because this statement just keeps it in mind of the code. So now let's print it. So let's say you have got a close quote, comma, and now that outcome is already an assigned thing, it can't be in quotes, else it will be printed just as outcome. So outcome without quotes, again comma to separate, and this is, I felt like writing this, so I wrote it. It's your choice whether to write it or not. When a coin was tossed, don't forget to close the brackets, and there you have it. This is the basic code for a coin simulator or to toss a coin. That's just nearly 7 lines of code. So now I have saved and run the program, and see, in the first print statement we wrote welcome to the coin simulator, that is displayed here, and then in the second statement we had written you have got a, and then we wrote the selected where it has chosen heads out of heads and tails, and when a coin was tossed. So this was one outcome, and now let me run it again to show you that it's just not printing heads all the time. Now I have run the program 5 times in a row, and as you can see we have heads, tails, heads, tails, heads. This might seem like a pattern, but I'll run it 5 times over again to show you that it's not a pattern. I have run it 5 times over again, and this time as you can see it's reversed. It's tails, heads, tails, heads, tails. It will come in different patterns, and it might come in random as well. It just depends on how the thing selects it. So that's all for this video. This was the basic coin simulator with just hardly 10 lines of code. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.